Damn, dude. Embers Apartments, 2120 Strawberry Road. This is for Bldg J. I've got PVC in between the buildings. Dude, it's got kind of like a back pitch, a bad belly.
Órale, pues, dale, pues.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? No, bueno.
Oh, good.
Damn, where's the problem?
The problem is there's a giant belly right here.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Ay, ¿qué cree que cada día estoy peor de mis ojos? Mire,
Sí, se ve.
amanecí peor. Ayer no podía ver nada. Ya contrataron ahora
La cámara.
Hey, when it backs up,
A ver, tía. Tía, interpréteme, ¿qué dice?
Ah, yeah.
hey, when it backs up, your toilets and everything don't work, right?
No, everything works.
When it backs up.
Not now. Some days ago was a problem, but not now.
Not now, it's a problem. Did you unstop it this morning?
Lo
This way, right?
Yes.
Lo destapaste esta mañana en este camino.
I can't get a good visual, man. I got shit all over my camera. There's something right in here. You know what? It's like this. It's like this.
Ah, es que está...
It's backwards.
Está inclinado.
Sí, yo cuando meto la manguera.
Is it easy to unstop?
Yes.
Es fácil para destapar.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
easy.
it's easy.
Yeah, I think this is like this instead of like this.
Está al contrario, en vez de estar
See right here.
para este lado,
Something right
está para el
there.
otro.
Oh, go back, go back.
Let me clear
Sí
it.
te lo dijo, ¿verdad? Que usted lo dijo. Usted, lo que le está diciendo, usted lo dijo.
Mucho grasa. Mucho grasa. See all the grasa?
Yes.
I bet you $100.
Me apuesta $100.
But where does the water come from?
Pero ¿de dónde viene esa agua?
Eso es lo que queremos saber. Pues,
But they don't know, that's why.
Okay. So this fills up with water?
Yeah.
Well, it's coming out right now, right there.
Where?
Look how it's flowing.
Like right here?
Yeah, right there.
Coupling. Is that a coupling?
Yeah,
Yes.
That's a
that's where
coupling.
it's coming out of.
They probably didn't glue the
this.
son of a-
Can you run your sink and flush your toilet for us, please?
Yeah, sure.
And just keep your sink running for us.
Okay.
They probably didn't glue that coupling.
No, there's no glue. I can see it right there. Right fucking there.
Mucho grasa right here.
I can hear you going through it.
Yeah. Dude, but the pipe looks good. You see? Poquito water, right? Poquito.
Poquito.
Well, now she's flushing.
There's the fitting right there.
No, I'm further
No.
in.
Oh, it looks like it's
See? See? Hardly any water. Keep going in. See what it looks like. PVC.
Looks good. There goes the fitting right there.
Yeah. I didn't even see myself make a turn though.
Que dice ayer, todavía no termino.
Bone dry. Bone dry pipe.
Es que
Bone dry. See? Bone dry.
That's probably her toilet.
No, dude, I'm way in there.
Are you?
Flush your toilet, ma'am.
sure.
Please.
Yeah, sure.
I think Problema's right there.
¿De coupling?
Yeah.
Sí, ¿verdad? En el coupling. Yeah. Sí, porque ahorita no meto la manguera. Ahí es donde no meto todo y se tapa.
See, I'm way past her unit.
¿Y Claudia?
See, that's where you start getting.
Okay, see, that's the turn.
Yeah.
There's the turn.
Esa es la güey.
Turn. Okay. Ma'am,
Yeah.
Yes.
flush your toilet again. I want to see it come in. See, but then we start going
Push
underwater.
It, push it in a little bit.
I think it's right there.
Right there.
Yep.
Yeah, there's
She's
her.
flushing. Flushing.
There's her
Right there. Toilet's right here. Right there. Okay. Then we come out.
You're good.
We come out.
Underwater.
Underwater. See? Full
Here,
pipe.
Let me mark that. Hold on. Let me
Let's
see
see where we're at.
that is.
But the problem is, you got to match up with that one. Right inside?
Go in, please.
Yeah, I'm moving.
I don't care. I don't care.
I'm moving and it's real nasty.
¿Ya casi terminó?
Ya. No, no, es que tengo que ir a contratar.
The coupling over there is here.
Yeah, exactly.
No,
Well, we right by, okay. All right.
pero
Come
no
out.
veo. El problema es que
Come
no
out.
veo. Y si hago mucho esfuerzo,
Come out.
la cabeza me revienta. Así andaba haciéndolo,
I
pero
see right there's a bunch of
Right here.
grease.
Yeah.
Huh?
Right
Right at
at
the coupling.
Yeah.
Me es crónico,
can hear it.
machine.
Y'all just need to replace from where y'all are dug all the way to right here, right?
Yes.
Y'all need to replace from here to there, but see if you can get it to pitch.
Hey.
Back to pitch.
Here's what we're gonna do.
tienen que
I'm gonna take the jet. I'm gonna stick it in. Move that grasa. Okay?
Sí.
And then, like I said, right back here, cut the pipe up. Go to.
They
You
need
got
to
to
really
dig
go
till
further,
like
yeah.
right here. Okay? Expose the whole pipe up. Cut it. Put a new piece in.
Ya, no.
Yeah.
All the way from here to
abrir
there,
hasta
where
allá,
he's standing.
cortar la pipa
Ponerla a nivel.
para que lo pongan a nivel.
Put your level on it, and it's got to be that
Yeah.
way.
It's got to go this way,
It's gotta-
not this
yeah,
way.
Tienen que
Exactly.
ir hacia aquel lado, no hacia este lado. Tienen que ponerla a
I
nivel.
bet that coupling ain't glued good.
No.
You know?
No lo pegaron bien también. Dice que no.